If your goal is to age fast, feel weak, and stay sick, here's your perfect lifestyle. If you want to get old, sick, and weak, just stay away from these 7 things. Let's start with the easiest way to fast-track your decline. Want to feel exhausted just walking to your mailbox? Then avoid VO2 Max training. Stay away from anything that pushes your heart and lungs to work harder. Intervals, sprints, conditioning drills. Because the better your body is at using oxygen, the more energy you have and the longer you live. But if fatigue, brain fog, and poor endurance sound appealing, skip it. Hate having energy? Want your metabolism to tank? Then don't bother with Zone 2 training. Forget walking on an incline, cycling at a steady pace, or any low-intensity cardio that builds your aerobic base. Zone 2 training improves fat burning, boosts mitochondrial health, and clears waste from your system. But if chronic inflammation and slow recovery are your goals, avoid it like the plague. Want to lose muscle, slow your metabolism, and become fragile? Then stay away from the weights. Ignore strength training and you'll guarantee yourself weaker bones, slower reflexes, and a higher risk of injury. Muscle isn't just for looks, it's your armor against aging. But hey, if falling over and not being able to get back up is part of your retirement plan, keep avoiding it. Want to move like a rusty machine? Then skip mobility and stability work. Don't bother with deep squats, joint control, or balance exercises. Ignore the fact that movement quality is just as important as strength. Eventually, your body will stiffen, your joints will ache, and one wrong step could mean a trip to the emergency room. But if that's the lifestyle you're after, by all means, don't stretch. Want to wreck your immune system, mess up your digestion, and feel anxious or depressed? Then eat ultra-processed food, added sugars, and the same 3 meals over and over. That's the fastest way to kill your gut microbiome. If you're aiming for poor nutrient absorption, chronic inflammation, and low energy, you're on the right track. But if you want to thrive instead, eat at least 30 different fruits and vegetables per week. Want to lose muscle mass and recover slower than ever? Just undereat protein. Forget about building or preserving muscle. Avoid lean meats, eggs, dairy, beans, because who needs strength and function anyway? If you want to stay strong and resilient, aim for 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight every day. But if you'd rather shrink, weaken, and wear out faster, skip the protein. Want brain fog, hormone imbalances, and dry skin? Then cut out healthy fats. Ditch avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. Those just help with brain function, hormone production, and inflammation control. Instead, go all in on industrial seed oils and fast food fats. That'll speed up aging and keep your body inflamed. But if long-term health sounds boring, stay low-fat and proud. This isn't about looking good, it's about living well. Strong, mobile, energetic, independent. The body doesn't just break down, it responds to what you give it. So if weakness, fatigue, and early decline are the goal, you now have the perfect plan. But if not, start training smarter, start eating with purpose, and start building a body that actually supports the life you want. Your future is built today.